Hi everyone, this is Jom from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different softwares. So today, we are going to talk about Staad.pro. And in today's video, we will learn how to apply the load combinations. So for this model, I have already defined the loads. I will just show that to you. So over here you can see in the definitions I have defined the seismic definition over here. Then in the load case details I have already applied a few of the loads over here. And today we are going to learn how we can deal with load combinations. So first of all we will learn what are the various load combinations that we must consider while modeling any building or while designing any building. Okay, so our topic will be load combination. So for that, first of all we will have to understand what are the different types of loads in our building. So over here our first load is the dead load, then we have live load, then we have seismic loads in two directions. So I have seismic loads in SLX and seismic load in Y direction, and I have named it SLY. Then we will go for the next load, that is the load combinations, and our loads will be 1.5 multiplied by DL plus LL, that is dead load plus live load. Then our next combination is 1.5 DL minus SLX. So we are going to go for all the possible load combinations over here. So that's our third load combination. Then we have So these are the 13 load combinations that we are going to use in our Staad.pro model. So let's open the model, and over here you can see we have defined the SLX, SLY, TL and LL. Now for the load combinations we are going to make some changes, like I will just rename the combinations and I will take the help from here. So I have defined 1.5 DL plus LL, and now I am going to just rename it in the same way. Okay, and you can see I have the load gas 4 and 3, and we have the combination of these three. Now next we are going to do the same for the other cases. So we have this load 1, that is the DL, and the load 3, that is SLX. Okay, so I am going to rename it in the same way. So I am just going to copy it from here and I will simply paste it over there. Now I need some more loads over here. So I will go to the load combinations, and here I will add a few more loads. So you can see on the 8th load is DL plus SLZ that we have added. Now I will go to the load combination. Here you can also go for the auto load combination, but for this case I am going for defining the combinations over here. So what is my next thing? Our next thing is 1.5 DL minus SLZ. So I will simply copy it, paste it over here, and now how to pick the loads. So first of all I will have to enter the value over here. So let's make it 1.5, then DL. So this is my DL. Now I have to deduct the SLZ. So I will go for the factor of minus 1.5 and deduct the SLZ over here, or SLY, whatever you are picking. So here my Z direction is the upward direction, so I am going for SLY. Okay. Now, so I have defined all the load combinations over here. So you can see, you can pick any load and you can see how it is affecting the combinations. Okay, so this way you can simply highlight the loads. And now I'm going to save this. So guys, that was all for this video, and if you are having any issue or any question or any suggestions for the Staad.pro video or any topic in the civil engineering field, then you can simply write that in the comment section and I will definitely make a video on that. So guys, that was all for today. If you want more such informative videos, then you can visit our YouTube channel, as well as you can also visit our Facebook page, where you will find a number of YouTube videos and the informative posts related to our live online classes. So if you want to register for our live online classes, then you can simply go to the link given in the description. All you have to do is to click on that link and it will open up a Google form for you. You have to just fill your details over here and I will personally give you a call and I will guide you how to proceed to join our live classes. See you in the next video. Thank you.